Wait.
For the proposition Annalise Jodhpur and for opposition Aurobindo, the timekeeping rules are the way 3 bells would be rung in every 6 speakers. First bell would be rung after 1 minute, next bell after 5 minutes 30 seconds, and next at 6. And the final speaker reply speech timing is 2 minutes 30 seconds, and 1 POI is allowed in reply speech as the timing is 2 minutes 30 seconds. Any confusion regarding this? Yeah. And you are expected to be able to see that 6 minutes 15 seconds after 9.
And the minimum time is 5 minutes for the second.
Today is this house believes that apples and oranges make strange bedfellows. Definition 1, ladies and gentlemen. We have defined apples and oranges as a single phrase, being two things that are totally opposite to each other. They are on opposite ends. They entirely are not synergistic. They can't be synthesized into one. The examples of this might be a coalition government where two parties with entirely different ideologies come together and form a party, form a government, or science and religion, which have entirely different views of the world as such, coming together or trying to synthesize themselves, but certainly they are not able to. Politics and religion, ladies and gentlemen, is also examples of apples and oranges. Politics is an entirely different aspect of the society, while religion is a different aspect. When these two come together, ladies and gentlemen, there is certainly a kind of havoc that takes place, ladies and gentlemen. The second definition is of strange. Strange meaning incompatibility, non-synthesis between two things, ladies and gentlemen. Thirdly, bedfellows. Bedfellows meaning, ladies and gentlemen, interaction between two things. Interaction or synergy between two things. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I'll begin with my perspectives now. The first perspective is the economic perspective. The risk taker or a risk aversion in a business format, ladies and gentlemen, would be a person who would like to take risk. Let's say an apple would be a person who likes to take risk a lot of times, and an orange would be a person who is averse to risk, ladies and gentlemen. Now, when these two people come together and form a company, what would be the result, ladies and gentlemen? There would be entirely different ideologies, ladies and gentlemen, and therefore there will be a havoc as such, ladies and gentlemen. Second perspective is the social perspective. There is, in the Marxist philosophy, they define proletariat as the people, as the working class, and the bourgeois as the capitalist government or the capitalist mindset as such, ladies and gentlemen. Now, these two things can't stay together if the society has to improve. The ultimate goal, the utopian, the objective is that the society should improve. The standard of living of the people should improve. Now, when the rights of the people and the rights or the wants or the desires of the capitalist people come together, they would certainly wreak and havoc, ladies and gentlemen. There won't be increase in the standard of living or increase in the rights of the people as such, ladies and gentlemen. And that is why we need equality in the social perspective, ladies and gentlemen. The political perspective now, ladies and gentlemen. As I explained earlier, a coalition government hardly works. There is instability, and it becomes a system of basic barter system, ladies and gentlemen. There are exchange of seats between parties from state to state or within the state itself, ladies and gentlemen. And apples and oranges, as I said before, two different parties with two different ideologies. For example, the Congress or the BJP, ladies and gentlemen. If they would come together, they would never be able to form a good government. There would be a havoc, and certainly re-election would take place, which would result in greater cost to the patient, ladies and gentlemen. The fourth perspective is the religious perspective, ladies and gentlemen. Politics versus religion, have never come together, ladies and gentlemen, and should always be separate. Apples, politics, religion, oranges, ladies and gentlemen, should be separate. The fifth perspective, the scientific perspective, science versus religion, ladies and gentlemen. We all have heard of the story of Galileo, who went to the St. Paul's Cathedral to explain to the clergy that the sun is the center of the earth, the heliocentric theory, ladies and gentlemen. And the clergy said that it is not, that the earth is center of the universe and everything else is around it. This never came together, ladies and gentlemen, and therefore science, apples, and religion, oranges, never have come together and cannot come together and cannot be good bedfellows, ladies and gentlemen. The sixth perspective is the philosophical perspective, ladies and gentlemen. Realism and the naturalism, ladies and gentlemen, are two different blocks of philosophy.